Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sushi with inari. Alright, let's get started. Alright, for inari, the inari dish, what it means is bean curd cooking in the sauce. Okay, this is the pre-made. Okay, I can't get the fresh tofu in here, what I'm leaving. So this is also very easy to get the local Asian market. Even now you can purchase online. What I got the package is like that. Okay, the inari pre-made. So normally inside it comes with the 2-pack. They also have a single pack, one small pack or bigger pack. They require variety option. So this is what I got here. So what we need to prepare is first, this one is already pre-made, pre-cooked. So it's open, it's ready to serve. So it's very simple. So it got a little sauce, sweet sauce inside. So while you open, just be careful. You don't want to split everywhere. Alright, now so just open up. Okay, and working with that, because they got a liquid inside, so you don't want too much liquid when you're working with the sushi. As in my video, I always say, if you want the sushi rice, when the sushi rice touch too much moisture or liquid, then it will fall into the pot. It's no more sticky. So that sushi rice, the moisture is enemy of sushi rice. So you want to first thing you want to like this, let it dry out a little bit. Okay, you don't want too much liquid. Alright, you can drain it also. Yeah, and I found this, use the kitchen towel. It's working nice. You see how much liquid can absorb out. Okay, you don't want to squeeze too hard, then release too much liquid. Then also at the same time, then you taste it getting very dry. So just gently let the kitchen towel paper doing his own job. Okay, then that's fine. Then let me show you first simple things. This is become the pocket, but you see they still stick inside. So second thing you need to do is just open up like this. Okay, then become like a little pocket. Okay, then this is for you to put your stuff in. In this video, I will show you a different shape what this inari tofu can do. And this one, let me open up first. And at the same time, I will cutting open on the edge, then become like a small sheet. Let me show you like this. Okay, then the other side also. Okay, just gently cut open. You see like a little sheet open up. Okay, I will show you how I do it with this. Make a nice different shape. And let's grab our sushi rice in. Okay, this is sushi rice already made. If you want to know how I make a sushi rice, you can check my other video, how to make a sushi rice. That is the step by step. Very clearly, you can make a perfect sushi rice from that video. Alright, so now let's take a simple one. First, let's start with simple one. And I always say, if you want to working with sushi rice, make sure your finger a little bit moisture. Okay, like this wet. Otherwise, the sushi rice will stick all over your hand. Then we grab by the size. Okay, then start working on a little bowl. The first I show you simple one, just plain. Okay, put it in the pocket. Okay, that's the big pocket. Give that a gently push. Then we just close up like this. Push one side up, down, then another side close up. Then that is the simple one, traditional simple one to serve inari nigiri sushi. No, okay, that is the one. Now I show you another one, different one, with the stuff. And this time you can put any stuff you like or anything you like with the day. So this time I show you very simple one is there's grab avocado, because avocado is beautiful and nice. And what you need to do, just get your avocado little tiny pieces like that. Okay, put it on the side. Then this time, okay, what are you gonna do? Open it up, and also at the same time you want the folding inside, like this. Okay. In. Then it's almost like a little boat. Can you see? Like that. Little boat. Okay, this is the second shape. And the same thing, just grab a little sushi rice. You don't want it too much. Okay. Little sushi rice. Then just make a nice shape. Okay, like they can fit in. Like this. Okay, give a little nice push. It's almost like a kunken. Okay, kunken sushi. The kunken in Japanese means like warship. Kunken. Okay, now this beautiful. And all you need to do, just grab your stuff in. Like that. Okay, then this is beautiful. Another shape of the kunken. Okay, let me put it this way. Okay, then this is ready to serve. Now I'm gonna show you my vision, ultimate one. First of all, you need to prepare yourself a piece nori seaweed like that, because I will use this one as the shape. Okay, put it outside. Okay, then this time what I'm going to do is you will need a bamboo mat to get the little help. Okay, first we lie down. Okay, we lie down our nori sheet, and second thing, we lie down your inari sheet. Okay. Next one, just grab a little bit, don't need too much. Little bit sushi rice. Okay, we just get a little help. Okay, make a nice shape, like long shape like that, and we place in them like this. Okay. Then inside the filling, you can use anything you like, and as long you just slice like this long stripe. And this time I have is the carrot, simple one. Okay, and also I would like some cucumber, because carrot and cucumber is quite crunchy, and also because this one is more tough, can to help to support, because you see this one is quite soft, so can help to support the inari. Okay, then of course avocado, always beautiful with sushi. And this time what I do, just place in one, and I would like another one. Okay, on the side. Okay, like that. Okay, now it's in this stage, it's almost like same like we rolling the maki. Okay, just gently pick up, then cover all over your nori seaweed, and just keep going like this. Okay, maybe I'll open up and you can see. Okay, then you can hold this. The tip is hold your nori seaweed a little bit, then your left hand just fall back, give the little bit former. Okay, like this. Okay, then just keep going. Okay, a little tricky, but you can do it. Okay, let me open up this, then you can see. Okay, as long as it close, then this time we just keep rolling. Okay, you see properly. And at the end edge, grab a piece sushi rice like that, then grab down, use as like a glue. Then we just keep rolling. Then it will close properly. Alright, you can serve like that, but another thing to nice presentation is to cut down. Okay, now, okay, before you cut down, I always show you the knife. You must dip in the water, then run in the water like this. Then can help, it won't stick the sushi rice into your knife. Then we just cut down in straight away to the half. Okay, then it will be good, nice presentation if that stand up like that. Okay, I will dressing with the teriyaki sauce. And in the paper bag here, I have about 2 tablespoons of the vegan mayonnaise with the 1 tablespoon of a sweet chili sauce, just mix together. So this one also good. And I would like the dressing in the avocado side. And if you want to know how I'm making this paper bag, you can check my other video how to make a piping bag with the baking paper. Last thing, if you want to garnish, normally you will like so simple, just with a little bit sesame seed on top with the plain one. Okay, then that is the ready to serve. This is my how to make a vegan inari sushi. Enjoy, simple, easy and quick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.